step-by-step guide to calming down. During stress, recognize the signs of stress. The first step is to identify the signs of stress. This can include physical symptoms like a racing heart, tense muscles, or headaches, as well as emotional signs like irritability, anxiety, or feeling overwhelmed. Recognizing these signs can help you intervene early. Take deep breaths. Once you recognize stress, start by taking deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Repeat this process for a few minutes until you feel calmer. Deep breathing can help reduce the physiological symptoms of stress by promoting relaxation and lowering your heart rate. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. Find a quiet spot where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Focus on your breathing or use a simple phrase or word to concentrate on. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise and gently bring your attention back to your breath or phrase each time you get distracted. Mindfulness can help you gain perspective and reduce stress by grounding you in the present moment. Engage in physical activity. Physical activity is a powerful stress reliever. Here are some ways to incorporate it. Take a walk or jog outside. Do a quick workout or stretching routine. Try activities like yoga or Tai Chi that combine movement with breath control. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters and can help clear your mind. Talking to someone you trust can provide support and perspective. Call a friend or family member and share what you're going through. You need to tell how you feel. Join a support group where you can connect with others experiencing similar stressors. Seek professional help if your stress feels unmanageable. Social connections can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of isolation. Set aside time for relaxation. Make relaxation a priority by setting aside time for activities you enjoy. You have to keep on with your life. Read a book or listen to music. Take a warm bath or engage in a hobby. Practice relaxation techniques like progressive muscle relaxation or guided imagery. Regular relaxation can help build resilience to stress over time. Reflect on what's causing your stress and consider ways to address it. Identify specific stressors and think about whether you can change or avoid them. Try and develop a plan to manage stressors that cannot be avoided. Set realistic goals and prioritize tasks to reduce pressure. Proactively managing stressors can help prevent them from becoming overwhelming. Support your stress management efforts with a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet to fuel your body. Get enough sleep to stay refreshed and alert. Limit caffeine and alcohol, which can add stress. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, making it easier to cope with stress. By following these steps, you can calm down during stressful situations and build resilience to handle future challenges. If you deal with your stress, you can overcome it. Good luck, dear fellow. Anxiety Soul.